Ebusia ye share ya check kakra our platform yi so I think the best 2 weeks ni me ma platform yi so ye and de na ho behia se wo be share me wo platform yi so me nua se wa hwe me wo platform we so sa ka we gina me nchen we hu ana se kai ya etwe go wo screen so no we hu we eye Kantanka Nkunim na ansana meko inside na ansana meka Kantanka Nkunim mu nsɛmpa de akyɛw no ya me pese meka to nyina ni epatɔ and then first time abomodia na subscribe bomodia na chese like video we but what there before be share video no crap no bomodia na like video we uwia bomodia na eden na share mo bibia wo man Ghana mu enye den enhwɛ ene video na ye no ye akyere Kantanka Nkunim no ye kyemu yie pa wo akanka semu ama ye nuanom mo wa bro kyere me kyere America UK South Africa chese Ghana wiase afana bebia aside mo Ghana it's in another area for Ghanaians living in abroad and Ghanaians in this country. Said America, no, Bomodia na subscribe na bibi ntimi nya dai. Enko ye enfama ye. Where Kantanka Nkunim? Na Kantanka Nkunim no Kantanka for aseda ye say yenye na embra na emebo won a wodi wonwuma ewo metre akwantuo ho nsem transportation say ye ko long journey from Accra to Kumasi, Accra to Takrade, Takrade to Kumasi, Takrade to Sunyani chese bebia na de ehye nkran ma ye sade we ne se o hwe yanon forecast na ewo kwan ho anaso o hwe yanon forecast na ye tenemu edi tu kwan na because of se petrol no eno ma na se diesel no no na se fuel no no kese enti no omo charge akese but we no ye ma obibia ni engine capacity ni ye den ewo fem ye ma obibia ni engine capacity no said you are there, it's not a nine so yeah more bibia the engine capacity no the performance no was it's me boa maka wait me kwa said you who on sem the onya day engine who bebre it's a Ghana for some tiemia way a Kantanka Nkunim for 688,000 Ghana cedis yeah but the kaka no sem say o hwe ha no mu say na they be out no way a grill no this grill part grill no Ebwama inframa etimi ra engine mu it is all sha engine mu no o sha grill na there was spaces bi a man frama ye den ewremu say the betime cool engine no ma engine na ye den enya hoode na aye na djuma yi e de ama wo eti no me ba bia engine no so in fact what hwe engine no but me bia so na what hwe say the engine mu ye den esitie na maka ho asem kakra de a kire Kantanka Nkunim no me say di ya ye say de otimu na say wo ye driver na say wato ana say wo ye owner who sika na obetima to wait for long journey oto a fu won ne be kɔ fom na se fu won wo fom na ye sound so emma luxury we are giving you luxury edi me bi engine no so na wa hwɛ sɛ de bi asi ye dey atie menua ade ba ko a me pese ye ka ho asem car no ne wheel base no enti no wo hwe ne wheel base na ya ye ne tenten se de betimi aboa ama yenya more space ewo interior no mu na etimi ama more spacious legroom enti no car we no ye wo 9-seater wo hono mu a ye wo 14-seater wo hono mu a ye wo 2-seater with cargo no so ye 89 14 and 2-seater with cargo na especially with the 9 and 14-seater no we are giving you a vehicle that the performance no was shown and so you are also enjoying luxury together with low a friend saying little or low fuel consumption but what the air can I say and you know with the Kantanka Nkunim no ne wheel base no ya na tintin say the betimi aboa na omo teens and say interior no omo wo mu no ebenya this friends say comfort omenya this you know experience this luxury na kan na kasa so etiminya stability say bia ye twi ewo ye highway so a unua ejina ne nan so etino balance no what you say aha etino that is for the Kantanka Nkunim And I said the air cano, the air can be ano ye Eddie, am I in your more butchery, and your Ghana Memu, I say in your Ghana for multitude, baby. Omo pese omo to bibi no mo somebody a transportation business e bia wo bank bi wo school bi wo pese wo to e de ma wo busua na mo kɔ ba bia ebusua matima tene mu a eno na ye de ma wo no kojo wo kasa bebre ye pese ye hwɛ interior no na ye hu se de interior no si ye den esitie ba to ka me ho na ye hwɛ ne nye bibia ye wi a na se de ho nhyehyɛ tie no madaro ma de bibia ye den asom mo Ghana for interior no ɛna anase inside na me ye den me wɔ no interior no na wo ye den o hwɛ no o te car we mu a car no ni seat ni adjustable ɛsan so wɔ armrest na no ni enti no utimi relax ɛwɔ charging ports wɔ ha no mu ɛwɔ charging port wɔ ha no mu wɔ bebi abetimi de o phone ni ayɛ den ato o hwɛ inside na so so air vent ne dɔɔso a ɛnya asɛm ketewa enti no Kantanka Nkunim no wei ɛyɛ 9-seater yɛwɔ 14-seater wɔ hɔ no mu 9-seater ne 14-seater no sɛ de bi di nkankan ne nyinaa 688,000 Ghana cedis enti no so w'ani gye ho a the here is up a friend was 0242037429. And I'm my personal business line po. Who bet me a friend is 0547462581. But to share na so say Kantanka cars yeah can once me and I say Kantanka Nkunim. Who bet me a to the amount bank. Who bet me a to ama wo institution bia wo suku. Omo mo ye adwuma GPLT for ene ye nnuano mo abrochire a mo pese mo angasa mo best mo transport business. Mo pese mo nya car bia mo bet me a to the amount mo busua na busua na ekɔ ba bia mobenya car papa bia mobetime di akono eno enende mo ni gu so mo ye den mo hwe no we eye 8-speed manual transmission vehicle tese ade bia ho hia ema car we no bibia bi ye den ewom bibia bi eye adwuma etino that is that. So I am very happy to be seated in this vehicle. Now said ye ho hyehyɛ sitie no me ba behwe na ma ye den maka ho asɛm aye den e de atro ade bia ho hia bia na ma ye den maka tro no ade ba ko a enipa dodo na hwɛ when they are buying a vehicle or when they are choosing a vehicle is the safety feature of the car. Car way our reverse sensors wɔ hɔ. Car way our stability control. Car way our hill start assist. Car way kyɛ sɛ features ahodoɔ biara bi na bi yɛ den ebi ɛwɔ mu. Car no ɛwɔ ahoɔden a ɛnya asɛm ketewa. Na car wey san so the reverse voice ɛwɔ Kantanka car bi emu sɛ mepa atwɔ me yɛ den me ba mechi
atwɔ me ba mechi enti twɔ ho wonte na dwe insurance ho na engina ho enti twɔ ho yo
eti no ɛno na wo yɛ den wo te yɛ den mepa atwɔ me ba mechi enti yɛ den twɔ ho. It is part of the safety features and also special safety features a ɛwɔ Kantanka ɛhyɛn bi mu eti interior no na wo hwɛ no interior no ɛtiapɔ ɛyɛ kama. Enti no menua bɔmmɔden na bɛyɛ den na bra bɛgye wo deɛ nsɛm ahodoɔ ɛwɔ no no ma mempie na mengyina abɔnten na menkyerɛkyerɛ mu mfa nkyerɛ wo na yɛwɔ na frɛ me na bra bɛgye wo deɛ ɛnɛ yi a onua makyerɛw sɛ Kantanka Nkunim engine capacity ayɛ 2.0 liter diesel engine masan so akyerɛw sɛ ekura torque of 400 and masan so akyerɛw sɛ Kantanka Nkunim ekura a horsepower of 154 makyerɛw sɛ Kantanka Nkunim has several advanced features: anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability program, reverse sensors, our reverse voice. Just BBAB, ebi wɔ car we mu. Na aside say mouse features we nyinaa no, it is very economical. Ne esa ɛwɔ Euro VI, ekura Euro VI emission standard. Car we etiapo. 14-seater and 9-seater nyinaa 688,000 Ghana cedis. Na 2-seater with cargo no 628,000 Ghana cedis. When it we hu abomodi na friend was 0242037429. That's 0547462581. In prepare me no kasa ye de e ba ko pe ne aye na ye ko yenim no in the next 2 months there na just say we say etimi production no bibia de eba na wie ye. It will be very good say o be tia o sika ye den ato ho ana so say patotie o be tia o sika to no mo a o be twen after say 2 months na so no aba beje o share because production na ekoso open so a wait you half na ya spread the akara across 6 months the amount until by the time crop aka na beba no na say ai dey ya wie bibia e the amount say no so say we e Kantanka duty free who 3 years warranty for manufacturing defects You pay free service in the amount when you get your first 1,000 kilometers and free registration if you pay full cash. And that is that. My name is Nana Kodusa for subscribe, like it. Na magana ni bi o wa approach o be so to bibi enya fe no kwose pedia ba. Yenye bibia wo man Ghana mu ni ntimi ma bibi ntimi nya dai. Enko so man. Nyankopon kira mu nyina. Bye.